to create a Quora account, so let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. First of all, you need to install Quora app on your device from Google Play Store. After opening up, you have to open the app. After opening, you can see here are various options like continuing with Google, Facebook, login, and there is also sign up with email. It will be easier for you to create an account with your email, so you have to go for sign up with email option. And after that, you have to enter your name in the first text box over here, and in the second text box you have to enter your email address, and after that you have to go for next option. So a verification code will be sent to the email that you have entered, and you have to enter that code in the text box over here. After entering, you have to tap on next. You have to create a password over here, and you have to make sure that you are not a robot and fulfill some captcha. For that, you need to tap on the box over here, and you have to resolve this captcha. And after verifying, you have to tap on finish option in the right upper corner. After that, here you have to select at least 5 topics so that they can show your stories according to your choice. For example, if you select the 5 of the topics over here, for example technology, movies, health, food and science, then they will show the story related to that. You can select as much as you like, but 5 is compulsory. And after selecting, you have to tap on next option. Quora is also available in different languages like this, so you have to select your preferred language, and after selecting, you have to tap on done. And after that, you can see your profile has been created. So by following this simple step, you can create a Quora account. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.